Welcome to my channel. If you are just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. Yes, and if you're just seeing my video for the first time, again, you're welcome. Thank you for staying with me all this while, and I must confess, I love you all. Yes. Okay, today I want to talk about how to know if you are under witchcraft attack. I think in one or two of my videos I've talked about how witchcraft attacks somebody, but this time around I want to bring our attention to certain occurrence in our lives when these things are happening. Yes, in our lives. If you notice that you are never good enough in all aspects, I don't want to say good enough in this area or good enough in that area. If you are finding it difficult to stand, you are never good enough, whether in a relationship, even in your house, in your home, and in your career, in your education, you are never good enough. You're almost there. Almost there. That is those that are very strong. But there are some that you can't even go there before you even talk about measuring yourself, whether you are either good enough or not. That one is a chronic one. When you are earning money and you don't know what you are doing with your money, your money doesn't show. No matter how you struggle, no matter how much you earn, anytime you are going to make meaningful money, there will be things that will take that money away from you. Either 419 or cases, court case, issues, sickness, disease, trouble, death, burial. These are things that takes money away from you. But you'll be thinking that it is normal. It's not normal. That is what they call spirit of Deborah. Deborah. Yes, it's not Deborah. I beg. I'm not talking about Deborah. So that Deborah that is watching this video will think I'm calling her name. I beg. Make it for no cause quarrel. All right. Deborah, to devour. Yes. And again, you see your life is in reversal. When your life is in reversal, 2019 you were better than in 2019. I mean in 2020. And in 2020 you were better than in 2021. Where are you moving? You are on R. Your life is on R. That is reverse gear. Whether you are using manual or you are using auto, there is R. Your life is on reversal. The enemies are working on your case. Your case is on the front burner, and that is why you are never good enough. Nothing you do will show. You cannot be proud of certain amount of money. Call it in your mind as you're watching this video now. Call that amount of money that you think you can never hold in your life, or that you think you're supposed to hold, but whatever you're making, it will just be, you don't even know how your money is going. It makes you to make stupid decision. That is when you're under witchcraft attack. Stupid decision, financial mismanagement, and career decision, even wife decision. Yes, because you can make even husband decision also. You can decide to marry somebody whom your life will be hell, will be like hell on earth. So There are issues like that. How do you know when you're under witchcraft attack? When you sleep at night, they beat you. They beat you. At times, it's physical combat. At times, it is they will lie you down and be punishing you as if you're under punishment, like a small child. And at times, you see them cutting away your property, stealing from you, collecting from you. Some will even come to you like begging, like beggars in your dream. This is a witchcraft attack. When you're under this type of attack, and again, I said it in one of my videos, I said, witchcraft attack, when somebody is under attack, it can be likened to a situation whereby you slaughter a chicken, then you dip that chicken inside hot water, you bring it out, and you start removing the hair. Like, start removing the hair of the chicken as you are plugging the hair of the chicken until the chicken is completely naked. Like, you want to eat, you want to slice the chicken and prepare for soup or anything you want to do, or barbecue, So I'm not referring to you as a chicken. I'm just trying to make you understand how it is. You are a manager in your company or in a company. Then you are collecting good salary, good remuneration, emolument, allowance, traveling allowance, accommodation allowance, fuel allowance, domestic allowance, and all these things. But at the end of the day, you have nothing. And you don't see yourself even carrying out all this extravagant lifestyle, but yet you don't know where the money is. You don't know where it is. Instead of promotion in the office, they will be demoting you. Whenever it is time for promotion, that is when they will find reason. They say, you didn't come to work on time yesterday. You didn't come to work last week. You went on emergency. You did not report to anybody. Therefore, your promotion this year will not hold. Next year again, there will be another reason. You are under witchcraft attack. Yes. You dream, you see yourself, masquerade is pursuing you. Hey, that one is too obvious. You are under witchcraft attack. You dream, soldiers, police, people in uniform, they are attacking you or pursuing you, chasing you or arresting you. You're under witchcraft attack. And then, when you are seeing all these things, it is a sign that you have to rise up and pray. You have to rise up and pray. Like I said in one of my videos before, you can use Psalm 23, because I don't know, I was in a hurry. I was just in a hurry in that video. At the tail end, I was calling what I didn't mean. So, but now, in this video now, read Psalm 21. And I told us before, we should endeavor to read Psalm 91. Keep reading it on a daily basis until it becomes part of you, until it is inside of you. The word of God is quicker than two-edged sword. Yes. And he said in his word, I honor my word more than my name. There is potency in the word of God, and there is magic and power in Psalms, in the book of Psalms. Try and read it yourself. Read it on your own. Then you choose the one that suits your situation. The word of God is there to attend to every situation we have on the face of this earth. So, when you begin to apply his word towards one particular situation, you will see there will be solution to your problem. All right, so please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Please give me thumbs up. Okay, give me thumbs up now. What do you want to take and do? What do you want to do with it? Give it to me now. Just give me thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. Bye.